Let's design now a C clamp. This part is the last exercise in advanced manufacturing technology for 3D printing exercise. So we are going to create first the 3D modeling, then 3D printing. Okay, first let us create C clamp in the front plane. Okay, for that we are creating the sketch. First, let's start with a circle. The circle diameter here is 22 plus 22, okay, 44 radius, and another circle with radius 64. Okay, let's draw a line. Okay, let's make this line as a reference only. Okay, quick trim these lines. Okay, let's draw a small rectangle at the top, somewhere like this. Leave it. And this one, it should be 19 mm. Okay, okay, and then it should be 19 divided by 2. 19 divided by 2, 9.58. Okay, and then let's control this dimension later. Okay, let's quick trim it. This, this, and this, and this. Okay, now this one. So we have to be very careful. Okay, we should okay. This one is right, but while doing the picture, only this one, and this one, this one, these two. Okay, let's leave it as it is. Now we have to draw a line from this point. Let's take this point. This is constraint at 2 mm 0 angle, and from this line end this end point down by 20 mm, 20 mm 270 degrees. Okay, and here again a line by 2 mm 180 degree angle. From here 6 mm 270 degrees. Okay, then it goes from here, it is 12 mm 0 angle. From here it goes in the end point, it goes 28 90 degrees. Okay, leave it. Now Now let's see where it is. From here there is a line. Okay, let's take it like this. Then quick trim these two lines. Okay, leave it. Now let's mirror this line segments. Mirror this curve, single curve. Okay, not connected curve, single curve. This curve, this curve, this curve. Select from the list. Okay, and this curve also. Okay, center line now. Center line is this one. Apply. This curve circle. We have not taken one more line. Let's make that line. Create that line. Here, trim this. Trim this. Okay, and this overall dimension. Let's give this dimension from here to this line. There should be 66. Okay, close it. Now everything is fully constrained. There is no issues now, I think. And one more dimension from this line to this point. This line, it should be 9.5. Okay, close it. Now it's symmetric. Okay, this is what our C clamp. Finish the sketch and extrude it. Extrude it symmetrically. Symmetrical value and 20 mm. Okay, but it's not sheet. It should be solid, right? Apply. Why it's not closing? Yeah, let's say edit with parameters. Solid only. Is there any open out? We have to check it. It is not open. We have given sheet, but still it's taking as body, but it's still creating a sheet. Why? Because the problem in sketch, there may be some closed loops. Okay, let's edit these sketches. This one is not a problem. This one is a problem. Is there any other? There are so yes. See, we've taken the wrong place. This to wrong side, I think. Okay. Now this is a solid body.